Alright, another weekend. More work on the garage here. So today we went to Lowe's again. Got a few things. We got this thing. And this thing is amazing. Like blows out air from it. That thing's powerful. So we got that thing. And then we got some screws, more screws, all that stuff. And then over here, we got some drywall. We're gonna attach this all to the wall in the laundry room. So that's what we got earlier today. So the first thing that we're gonna do today is we're going to install some screws on both the floor and the wall for the framing on the laundry room wall. Not sure what we're gonna do about the ceiling yet. We'll probably make some kind of brackets or something to keep that up. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, well, we ended up putting some screws into the floor using this hammer drill, and did pretty good. Dad was kind of worried because it was kind of a cheapy one, but it worked okay. And we got all those in, blue screws that go in the concrete, and then also on the wall, screwed in there. So now that's all done. And then we also installed an extra piece of wood here so that we'll have something to screw the drywall on this side into. So now I think we're gonna move on to the drywall, because this is pretty sturdy, even though it's not properly done on the ceiling. But of course, we can always go back and fix that later, as long as it's good enough for now. So we also ended up installing 2 more little pieces of wood here just to make this part above the door a little bit more sturdy. Alright, we're making progress here. Got the first piece of drywall installed. Very nice. So now we got all of this to do though. So, still a long ways to go. And then here's what it looks like on the other side. It's brown on this side. Very nice. And listen to this. Okay, so now this whole wall has drywall on it. So super cool. And I'll show what it looks like from the other side. Still no drywall over here yet, but we will get it there eventually. Alright, it's been another hour, and we got this wall complete on this side. You can see where the door is gonna go right there. And here's what it looks like on the other side. So yeah. And then still like that on this side. Making progress. Alright, well, this is all the progress for the 3rd day. Ended up installing some extra boards here along the wall to add some support. There's still one down there I were able to have access to. But we'll get that tomorrow for sure. And we actually have to go back to Lowe's to get some extra drywall because apparently we didn't buy enough. So, but the laundry room, as you can tell, is now completely closed in. And man, is it a cave in here. Let's get some lights going in here. Good thing we have that. And I also installed this quip light as well. It's got a 75-watt incandescent bulb in it. Let me turn that on. There it is. So now you get even more light in here. And that just kind of makes its way down there where it plugs in. Very nice. Beautiful incandescent bulb. And then of course, out here we do have this light. It's kind of dark over here. Actually, it's very dark over here. Camera overexposes it a little bit. It's really not as bright as it looks. But the garage door opener does have this bulb in it, so we can use that for a little bit extra light over here. It's gonna be not the best situation in here lighting wise for a while until we get to the electrical work, but yeah, that is the progress for the third day. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Lowe's again in the morning and get some more supplies. So, see you tomorrow. Alright, it's the fourth day now, July 7th. And earlier today we went back to Lowe's to get some extra stuff that we ended up needing. Got an extra pack of drywall, so now we should have enough for all the walls. And then we got these two things, which are dust control mud for sealing the drywall. And then we got two of those. We got these things, which are for the door. And then we got some wood here. This metal we're gonna make into some brackets that'll hopefully help secure the wall on the top. And then this thing is for going in the corner on the outside, I think. That kind of just helps protect the drywall. We also got some of that tape stuff too that's supposed to be for sealing up the drywall, but I don't know where that went. Did a little bit of work over here. We got this last piece in, and then also started over here. Got those two down there, and then two up there as well, and we're gonna repeat all down there and all up there as well. And that's just to make sure that the drywall can't flex in too much. Alright, so we installed these on the bottom now and these on top. So now, if you come in here and you try to flex the bottom, it doesn't flex anymore. And the same for the middle and also the top, but I can't reach the top. And over here too. Can't flex it. Can't flex it at all. So I'm not sure what we're doing next now, but we'll see. Okay, we're making some serious progress. We just got done with the drywall along this part of the wall. Now this wall is completely enclosed. On the outside here, there's what it looks like on that side. And then on the inside too. So now we're gonna do this wall right here. All right, great news everybody. The drywall is now 100% up. So we have this wall. Very nice. And then this is the only one you haven't seen yet. We have this wall. Now, all done. Also up here, and even there, a little bit. And in here, we have this wall. And also over here. And then finally, this wall over here. So now my dad is gonna go ahead and put some mud and tape here. And he's gonna be doing that over the week so that hopefully it'll be all the way dry by the time we have to install this door. And then eventually we'll move on to this side. But that's not quite as important because the door is not going to be installed on this wall. That can just dry whenever. That is the state of affairs right now. Alright, well, these are all of our results from the 4th day. So my dad went ahead and put up some of this mud and tape on the wall. He did that side, this side, there too. Then he also did this wall. He also did that wall. The only thing is we were not able to do it to this wall quite yet because we don't have enough of that stuff to do this wall. So we're gonna have to go back to Lowe's next time and get enough stuff to do that. But we'll be sanding down the stuff on these walls. And then next weekend, day 5, we'll install the door here. And hopefully we'll be getting ready to do some painting soon. And we have plenty of extra drywall where that came from too. Gosh, there's probably, see, 6 pieces there. We'll have to donate this or something eventually. Alright, see you guys in the next episode.